Welcome to Top 7 Pet Picks. Are you tired of seeing those white flakes all over your dog's coat and your furniture? Today, we're counting down the best medicated dog shampoo for dandruff to stop the scaling and soothe that itchy skin for good. We've rounded up the top clinical and natural solutions that actually deliver results. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at top 7, we have the MiconaHex plus Triz shampoo for dogs and cats. This is a powerful, veterinarian recommended formula designed for tough skin cases. Pain points. When your dog has severe dandruff, it's often accompanied by a greasy feel or a yeasty smell. Standard shampoos might clean the fur, but they don't treat the underlying fungal or bacterial issues that cause the skin to flake off in the first place. Solution, features, and benefits. This medicated dog shampoo for dandruff contains miconazole and chlorhexidine to tackle fungal and bacterial skin infections head-on. It also includes ceramides to help moisturize and repair the skin barrier, which is essential for stopping future flaking. It's particularly effective for dogs with seborrhea, where the skin produces too much oil or scales. It deeply cleanses while providing an antimicrobial shield. Pros: clinical strength for fungal and bacterial infections, contains ceramides to restore the skin barrier, effective for both oily and dry dandruff. Cons: can be quite drying if used too frequently, requires a 10-minute dwell time to work properly. Product links are available in the description below. See the latest price. At top 6, we have the Earthbath Oatmeal and Aloe Shampoo. Earthbath is the go-to choice for pet parents who prefer a natural approach to skin health. Pain points. Many medicated shampoos have a strong chemical smell that lingers on your dog for days. Additionally, if your dog's dandruff is caused simply by dry weather or minor sensitivities, heavy-duty medications might be overkill and cause further irritation. Solution, features, and benefits. This isn't your average soap. It's a soap-free medicated dog shampoo for dandruff alternative that uses colloidal oatmeal and organic aloe vera. These ingredients work together to rehydrate parched skin and neutralize the itch that leads to scratching and more flaking. It smells amazing, like warm vanilla, and it's 100% biodegradable. It's perfect for regular maintenance of dogs with mildly dry, flaky skin. Pros: soap-free and won't wash off flea treatments. Uses organic aloe and colloidal oatmeal for natural relief. Delicious vanilla and almond scent. Cons: not strong enough for active bacterial or fungal infections. Doesn't lather as heavily as chemical-based shampoos. Product links are available in the description below. See the latest price. Coming in at top 5 is the Douxo S3 PYO shampoo. This is a cutting-edge formula that focuses on the ecosystem of your dog's skin. Pain points. Recurring dandruff often means your dog's skin barrier is compromised. Every time you wash them, you might be stripping away the very defenses they need, leading to a never-ending cycle of flakes and irritation. Solution, features, and benefits. Douxo S3 PYO is a specialized medicated dog shampoo for dandruff that features Ophytrium, a natural ingredient that strengthens the skin barrier. It also contains 3% chlorhexidine to manage bacterial populations. It is designed to be used frequently without irritating the skin, making it ideal for dogs with chronic skin conditions. It disinfects while hydrating, ensuring the skin stays supple and flake-free. Pros: revolutionary Ophytrium helps rebuild the skin barrier. High concentration of chlorhexidine for antiseptic power. Free from soaps, sulfates, and parabens. Cons: one of the more expensive options on the list. The scent is very mild and doesn't mask doggy odors as well as others. Product links are available in the description below. See the latest price. At top 4, we have the Pet Honesty Chlorhexidine Shampoo. This formula is loved by owners for its balance of clinical power and soothing botanicals. Pain points. Dealing with hot spots, along with dandruff, can make bath time a nightmare. You need something that kills the germs causing the flakes, but also provides immediate cooling relief so your dog stops scratching immediately. Solution, features, and benefits. This medicated dog shampoo for dandruff uses a combination of chlorhexidine and ketoconazole to treat a wide range of skin issues. What sets it apart is the infusion of aloe and cucumber. which provides an instant cooling sensation. It's great for deodorizing stinky dogs while also treating the scaling and redness associated with dandruff and allergies. Pros: dual action antibacterial and antifungal formula. Aloe and cucumber provide immediate cooling comfort. Effectively removes the yeasty smell associated with skin issues. Cons: the cucumber scent is polarizing for some owners, requires thorough rinsing to prevent residue. Product links are available in the description below. See the latest price. Taking the top 3 spot is the Tropiclean Oatmeal and Tea Tree Pet Shampoo. This is a high-performance natural solution that bridges the gap between basic and medicated. Pain points. Sometimes natural oatmeal isn't quite enough to stop the itch, but you aren't ready to move to a harsh prescription-style shampoo. You need a boosted natural formula. Solution, features, and benefits. This is a fantastic medicated dog shampoo for dandruff option that uses tea tree oil as a natural antiseptic. The tea tree oil helps clear up the irritants causing the dandruff, while the colloidal oatmeal and vitamin E provide deep nourishment. It's 70% organic and soap-free, making it a very safe but effective way to handle flaking and itching without using synthetic chemicals. Pros: natural tea tree oil provides antiseptic benefits, includes salicylic acid to help shed existing flakes. Safe for dogs and cats. Cons: the tea tree scent is very strong. Not suitable for dogs with tea tree sensitivities. Product links are available in the description below. See the latest price. Our runner-up at top 2 is the Wahl Dry Skin and Itch Relief Pet Shampoo. Wahl has created a concentrated formula that is perfect for the average household dog. Pain points. If you have a large dog, you can go through a standard bottle of shampoo in just a few washes, making skin treatment very expensive over time. Many owners also struggle with thin shampoos that don't lather well in thick fur. Solution, features, and benefits. This is a highly concentrated medicated dog shampoo for dandruff that uses oatmeal, coconut, and lime. Because it's concentrated, a little bit goes a long way, creating a rich lather that lifts away flakes and dander. It's pH balanced and alcohol-free, designed specifically to provide immediate relief for dry, itchy skin. It leaves the coat smelling incredibly fresh and feeling noticeably softer after just one wash. Pros: highly concentrated, a little goes a long way. Thick, rich lather for deep cleaning, very affordable for the quality. Cons: not medicated for serious bacterial infections. Can be hard to squeeze out of the bottle toward the end. Product links are available in the description below. See the latest price. And finally, our top 1 pick is the Veterinary Formula Clinical Care Antiseptic and Antifungal Shampoo. This is the gold standard for clearing up dog dandruff quickly and affordably. Pain points. When your dog is miserable and flaking, you don't want to experiment. You want something that works the first time. Most people need a fix-it bottle that tackles everything from simple dryness to complex fungal scaling. Solution, features, and benefits. This is the ultimate medicated dog shampoo for dandruff. It contains benzethonium chloride and ketoconazole to eliminate the bacteria and fungus that cause skin scaling. It's also enriched with aloe vera and lanolin to soothe the skin and prevent it from drying out during treatment. It is fast-acting, incredibly effective, and recommended by vets for everything from dandruff to ringworm. It provides professional-grade results at an amazing price point. Pros: clinical strength that works on the toughest dandruff cases, heals the skin while killing the source of the irritation. The most cost-effective medicated shampoo on the market. Cons: must be left on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes to be effective. The scent is clinical rather than perfumey. That's our list of the top 7 medicated dog shampoo for dandruff picks. No more flakes, just a happy, healthy pup. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to Top 7 Pet Picks, and let us know in the comments which one worked for your dog. Thanks for watching.